Welcome back. Today I have my fourth order from Lyon and Post. Some cute stuff. They had a 30% off sale. There's some really good prices. I don't know if there's stuff I need or would buy. I need your help. So if you're not familiar with Lyon and Post, it's a try before you buy service. Things in your queue, and when they become available, Lyon and Post sends them to you. These leggings, I don't know what I was thinking. A lot of the women at my bar studio have these and like them. Not even in the black though. This feels like way like 80s. Not my kind of 80s, but 80s. They are made in the US, which is nice. They do fit. I've noticed on a lot of the women who wear them, I think because they're very compression-y, very high compression, and they run kind of small. They kind of make your butt look a little bit flat. I just have noticed that on a lot of women. I don't know if they do that to me in particular. They're fine. Another pair of leggings like I need a hole in my head. They're $54.60, which is a good price, although when I was searching around, you can get them for that price. This is not the only place you can get them for that price. So not too much FOMO if I let these go. I'll show you the try on. I feel very silly. Equipment Perrin cami. The cute thing about it is that it has like stripes in the same color, two different widths. I feel like that's kind of subtle on though. I don't know if you see it, and you probably don't see this shirt at all on because it's white and it's blowing out the camera. I think it's not really a cami that you would layer with something. Put it under a cardigan, but then I feel like I want to wear something under a cardigan that if it gets warmer and I want to take the cardigan off, I don't feel like I'm showing way more old lady arms than I really care to. I just don't think I would wear it. I like it. It was so cute on the model. The model was 22. I'm wearing this with a regular bra, which I know shows everywhere, but I really wouldn't wear a strapless bra for this casual of a top. It does have adjustable straps, but if I were to pull up the straps any shorter, the top would just sit way too short on me. The sale price, that would be $33.04. The Equipment Oscar turtleneck, it's called New Nude. It's definitely a peach. It's cashmere. I was really hoping this would be like amazing because it is a cashmere sweater for $89.04. I would really love a camel colored cashmere sweater. This is not camel. This is not like as versatile of a piece. It's a little springy, which is a little weird in the winter. It's also completely see-through. I mean, you can see the tag right there through it. You can see everything that I'm wearing underneath it. I didn't have anything on under it for the try-on. You could wear something under it. You'd have to plan what that would be and be aware that whatever it was going to be 100% visible. So this one's going to be a pass. The thing I need your help with the sale, the price is amazing. These are Page Vertigo, I think is how you say it, ankle skinny jeans, normal hem, some whiskering, but not like crazy whiskering. I like them. They're just a very plain pair of jeans. They're great. They're a hair big in the waist, but they fit everywhere else, and the next size down isn't available. They're pretty plain, which I see as a plus because that means that they don't need to be replaced anytime soon for looking dated. They look okay on me. I'm gonna go because the kids are home. I really would like to hear from you whether or not you think I should keep these. They're an amazing price. They are $79.38, which when I was Googling is not the general price for these. The Nordstrom Rack price on this type of jeans, I didn't look for colors and sizes and stuff, but their price was $90. So this is a good price. I better go. See you later. Hey, Leo. Hey, Reed. Hey, you too. Hi, Kern's phone.